Midland, Texas Day was 2 days away. Alfred and Jordy were at Alfred's station waiting for Mr. Tycoon. He had an important job to give to one of them. He soon arrived aboard on Misty. Jordy and Alfred, as you already know, I have an important job to give to one of you. What's the important job, sir? The important job is that one of you can take the mayor and his brother to the village for inspection. Alfred was sure that he was going to get the special, since he was the one that found the village. Jordy, since you've been working very, very hard, I have decided that you'll be taking the mayor and his brother to the village. Jordy was very happy.
Really? Oh, thank you very much, sir.
Alfred was surprised and disappointed. He was the one that found the village, and he thought he should be taking the special. Remember, Jordy, to meet me and the mayor and his brother at Sunset Station in 2 hours.
I will, sir.
That's a good engine. And with that, Mr. Tycoon hopped aboard back on Misty. You're one lucky engine, Jordy.
Why, thank you, Misty.
Better luck next time, Alfred. Oh, that's alright, Misty. And with that, Misty drove off.
I'm very hurried.
I'm very excited to be taking the mayor and his brother to the village, Alfred. Jordy, what just happened to your voice? I don't know, it just changed somehow. Oh, okay. Well, anyway, just be quiet, Jordy. Whoa, what? Ever since you got here, everyone has just been talking about you. Jordy that, Jordy that. Well, I had it. I never saw how hard you work, or how special you were. But Alfred... Now if you excuse me, I have work to do. And so Alfred chuffed angrily away. Two hours later, Jordy took the mayor and his brother to see the village. When they arrived, the mayor and his brother had a very good look at the village. When they returned, they told Mr. Tycoon what an amazing job they had done to repair the village. Why, thank you very much. That means a lot. Then Mr. Tycoon noticed that Jordy was feeling a little bit sad. Jordy, what's the matter? Oh, it's nothing, sir. Hey, come on now. You can tell me. Well, you see, it's about Alfred. What about Alfred? And so Jordy told Mr. Tycoon all about him and Alfred. Is that so? Yes, he did, but I don't know why he got so mad at me. Oh, I get it now. Well, you see, Alfred was the one that found the village in the first place, and he told us that we should restore it in time for Midland, Texas Day. Really? So that's why he got so angry at me. I wish I knew that. Don't worry, Jordy. Alfred is a good engine, so he will apologize to you soon. Oh, that's great. Thank you, sir. The next day, it was the day before Midland, Texas Day, and Alfred was taking the last parts to mend the last piece of rail. He was very excited. This is the last delivery, then the line will be finished. But when I get to the village, I must remember to apologize to Jordy. Then there was trouble. Alfred noticed that a tree was starting to wobble. Then, it fell onto the tracks. "Whoa!" cried Alfred. He applied his brakes, but it was too late. Alfred smashed into the tree, and he came off the rails. "Bust my buffers!" cried Alfred. Luckily, no one was hurt. Alfred's driver ran to get help. Meanwhile, at the village, everyone was wondering where Alfred was. Then Mr. Tycoon saw Alfred's driver running towards him. "A tree has fallen onto the tracks, and Alfred got derailed." Mr. Tycoon began to worry. "Oh dear, this is serious. Jordy, please take the breakdown train and go help Alfred." "Yes, sir. I'm on my way, sir." Jordy was soon coupled up to the breakdown train, and he raced off to the rescue. Alfred waited until Jordy arrived with the breakdown train. "Alfred, are you okay?" "Yeah, I'm okay." "Listen, I'm so sorry for the way that I acted yesterday. I was wrong to be so mad at you. I want us to be good friends now." Jordy smiled. "Alfred, of course we can be friends." "Thanks, Jordy." "You're welcome. Now let's get you back on the tracks." And so Jordy managed to get Alfred back on the tracks. When they were about to go to the village, there was a mighty crack. One of Jordy's piston rods had broke. He couldn't move now. Jordy was upset. "Don't worry, Jordy. It's my turn to help you. I'll shunt you back to the village." Jordy smiled. Alfred was his new friend, and there was nothing Alfred couldn't do for Jordy. Puff by puff, Alfred shunted Jordy all the way back to the village. It was hard work, but Alfred managed to push Jordy back to the village. Alfred was tired, but he felt very happy. "You have arrived just in time. Well done, Jordy." "Don't forget to say well done to Alfred too, sir. He helped me on the way back here." And so Jordy told Mr. Tycoon everything about what happened. Mr. Tycoon, along with Wilson and Boris, were surprised. "Well, I'll be. That is amazing. Also, now that we got the final parts, we can finally finish off the rest of the tracks in time for Midland, Texas Day." Midland, Texas Day had finally arrived, and Alfred was taking passengers to the village for the reopening of the line. "You arrived just in time, Alfred." Before the line was about to be officially reopened, Mr. Tycoon gave an announcement. A long time ago, Alfred, Boris, Wilson, Steve, Barry, and Jelly were really useful in this town. A few years later, the line was closed, but thanks to Alfred, our number one and really useful engine, we were able to restore the line in time for Midland, Texas Day. Many thanks goes to Alfred and all his friends for making this possible. The engines whistled, and everyone clapped and cheered. And Alfred felt very proud. He couldn't have felt happier, being a really useful engine. Hey Alfred? Yeah, Jordy? I think I'm gonna have a great time here. You're gonna have an amazing time here, Jordy. I know you will.